Today we are talking HDT, that's Hydraulic Dampen Tilt. This equipment trailer has been around since 2015. It was first designed by Diamond C back then and has been a constant evolution ever since then to enhance the user experience. This trailer is typically going to be bought by a construction crew, even some on the farm. They're doing landscape. I mean, it's anything where you're going to be typically hauling, say, a skid steer or a mini excavator, dense, heavy, shorter pieces of equipment, and you're hauling pretty well one at a time. This one is a 24 foot, so it's 24 feet from the front here to the tip. It is 16 foot of tilt section and 8 foot of stationary. The stationary is awesome because there you can put, say, other implements or buckets or forks, things that you would use, accessories you would use for your equipment can be stowed there. Or say you're going to a landscape site and need to haul a pallet of sod there, you can put that there and be able to tie it down and still haul your equipment. So HDT is super versatile. At the front, we're going to start with a few of the things that make this trailer really special, a few of the features. Number one being the HD V-tongue lid. This is something that you won't find anywhere but Diamond C. We designed it and made it to where it acts as extended deck space. The cool thing is it's made out of 3/16 diamond plate. So say you have a longer bundle of material for a building project, or you need to pull a scissor lift up, this 3/16 material is heavy enough that you can use this lid as extended space when you need. What's cool about that is typically from here forward, that tongue area is usually void space in the past. It really serves no purpose besides maybe a little storage, but in this case, it's extended deck space. Secondly though, once you open it up, there's a massive amount of storage space inside the tongue. I mean, you can see there's a full-size spare in there right now. You can put chains, straps, man, you name it. Things and tools you may need on the job site can be put inside the lid and then locked out of the way on the job site. So it's a really cool feature there. This lid is standard on the HDT, it's standard on the LPX, and it is an option on several other Diamond C models just because the value it brings to the job site or to the work team is really immense. The next thing we're going to look at is the 8-inch I-beam tongue and frame design. So you'll see the tongue actually starts here and then is uniform all the way to the back, and it is low profile 8-inch I-beam. So Diamond C pioneered the use of 8-inch I-beam in these tilt equipment trailers and in the LPX, which is the ramp version of this trailer. The cool thing is with the I-beam, it's super strong. It lowers the weight of the trailer because in the previous channel iron designs, you had a main frame of channel, then you had a tongue of channel that actually doubled up under the frame, making it twice as tall, pretty much, the frame, and it was super heavy and inefficient. So the I-beam really kind of streamlined your frame, kept the weight down, but is super strong. And also this trailer, the deck height is about 24 inches off the ground, which is great because that keeps your center of gravity low when you're hauling such a heavy piece of equipment. So you can see the 8-inch I-beam goes all the way to the back. When you step up, this HDT is rated at 14,900. That's the base, that's where it starts. From there you step up into the 18,000 rating and the 20 and the 24. In those, it's still a low profile I-beam, but it switches to our engineered beam technology, which is where we actually manufacture the I-beam to the height and the thickness that we need it. On the 14,000 pound range, the 8-inch I-beam works really well for that, for this class of trailer. The third thing we want to look at that makes this trailer special is the actual dampening tilt feature. That's something that we've been working on even prior to the HDT and the older tilts for now going on 15, 18 years, figuring out what is the optimum tilt feature for dampening to where when you drive equipment up on it, it doesn't just slam down. And we feel like we've got it pretty darn close. It's really a great experience. So right here you have a mechanical latch that's holding the bed down, and we also have a hydraulic ball valve right here to where that you can lock the bed anywhere in between. Right now we have it wide open, which is where if you're gonna tilt the bed, you turn it to wide open. So we're gonna unlock the bed. You can see it kind of move a little bit because the ball valve is unlocked. I'll walk back here to the back, and it's as easy as stepping up on it, and it comes down real slow. Obviously, the reverse, whenever, say I'm in a piece of equipment and it's time to load up, you simply just pull forward. Your tilt point is right in here, so you're gonna get just in front of it on your equipment, and it will slowly start coming down. It comes down nice and easy every time. And you don't have to rush up here to the front. You get just in front of that tilt point in your equipment, and it's gonna come down nice and easy every time. You step out. I do that with my foot. You can get off and do it. But also, again, the hydraulic valve is pretty cool because say you need to do maintenance on it, on the hydraulic function, or you need to load a longer wheelbase vehicle on it, you can lock that ball valve out, pull up, and then crack it, and it'll come down easy, nice and easy by itself. The only two options on this trailer that are on here that aren't standard, the rubber-on stake pockets for full-length tie-down. That's an option. Typically it comes with 6 stake pockets, but instead it's got, this one has the 2 by 3/8 flat, big 1/4 inch stake pockets on here for being able to tie down all the way up and down the side. It does come with 4 5/8 D rings to be able to chain down as well, and you can get more of those as an option. The other one that I really like is the super heavy duty 3/16 fenders. If you've seen many fenders on a job site, you know they get trashed pretty hard. Not a lot of times, not intentionally, but when you've got guys running your equipment or they're at the at the yard loading up, fenders get dented and damaged. So the 3/16 fenders are like cheap insurance, a few $100, and they are super stout. You hit these, and whatever you hit it with is going to be torn up worse than the fender. I can just about promise you. Jump on diamondsea.com. There, the HDT has a slew of different options. I mean, it can be built from a 16-foot bumper pull up to a 28-foot gooseneck, all the way up to 24,000 pounds. You can really accessorize and change up an HDT to fit the style of work that you need to do.